In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share templates in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. If you're new to Notion, or simply looking to streamline your workflow by sharing templates with others, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and allows you to collaborate efficiently or simply spread your productivity practices with others. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Notion workspace. Open your template page, which might be a personal project, a team dashboard, or any structure you've created and want to share. If this is your first time doing this, make sure that your page is complete and ready to be shared with others. Any changes you make later on will update automatically for those who have access to your template. Once your template page is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Share button. Click on it to reveal sharing options. This is your gateway to displaying your template beyond your personal workspace. Now, in the sharing menu, you'll see the option to share to web. It might appear as a toggle switch, so go ahead and toggle it on. This critical step will make your template page publicly accessible. It's important to note that by sharing to the web, you allow anyone with the link to view your template. However, they won't be able to edit it unless they've been granted specific editing permissions. If at any point you feel unsure or want more control over who can view the template, you can always return here and toggle the switch off. With the page set to share on the web, you now have a unique link to your template. Simply copy this link. It's located in the sharing menu, typically in a text box that appears once the web sharing is enabled. When you have this link copied, you can send it via email, add it to a team's resource library, or share it on social media if you're looking to reach a wider audience. Think of this link as a key to your template, a gateway for others to benefit from your hard work and creativity. As you become more comfortable with this process, you might find yourself frequently sharing templates with colleagues or friends. It's an effective way to ensure everyone is on the same page, literally, without the hassle of exporting files or dealing with format incompatibilities. Remember, sharing your knowledge and resources can greatly enhance collaboration and keep everyone aligned, whether you're working in a corporate team, a classroom, or any kind of group setting. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to share your templates in Notion. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you unlock new opportunities for collaboration and communication in your projects.